Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part two of this. I said in that other video that this was going to be a lot of engraving to make the cat black. So I turned the cat blue, which is supposed to be white, because now I'm going to contour so we won't have to do so much. But to do that, I'm going to make a copy. I hit the plus key and then move the arrow key. I'm going to left click, right click. I am going to go to object and group this together. And I'm going to open up my contour tool, and to the outside with rounded corners, I'm going to contour 0.125. And we get that right there. Now I'm going to go to object and break the contour apart. Grabbing our contour, this time I'm going to contour the inside 0.23. So it'll just leave 0.02 left. Go to object, break the contour apart. Now this is kind of the tricky part. You can't just fill this in with black, because that's what's going to happen. It's going to, because the ears part and everything are different. So what you have to do, sorry about that, is take the contour and then make all this whatever color you want it to be. I'm going to say black. And then if we made this white, okay, and take away the outline, make this all black, and then move it over, look at that. So now your black is showing through and your white is on the front. And if we take a rectangle and draw a box around it and make our rectangle yellow and put it to the back of page, you can see that it's got white and black. I'm thinking this is more like the lines he's going to want. And I just did lions, and like lions and tigers, and I believe this is a tiger. Anyway, that's one way to do it. If I was going to do that, I'd actually clean this up a little bit. But it's Mother Nature type effect. And look, one side is a lot clearer than the other side. So this wouldn't take much to clear up, you know, with your shape tool. Of course, you'd want to do it before you had it all grouped together. But this is the way I would engrave it. Then all your black is going to be black, and you haven't wasted all that engraving. I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.